Andrew Tate.
I am Wonder Tate, and I'd like to say hello.
You probably heard of him for his controversial opinions.
There's no power in sushi.
But one thing is undebatable. His communication is straight up unparalleled.
Speaking is a superpower in and of itself.
I'm not here to discuss the points he makes or if his jokes go a little too far. I'm here to show you how to write like he speaks. Intrigued? You should be, because today I'm gonna show you how it's done. Let's dive in. Obviously, we'll be using ChatGPT here, and the brain-dead way to do it is to enable GPT-4 plugins and then activate the Video Insights plugin, which you can find in the plugin store. This grabs YouTube transcripts, and with this prompt, you can replicate his style, and ChatGPT will use it in all following answers. Now, quick note that there is also a way to do it with GPT 3.5, but it's not as good. But you can totally go to YouTubetranscript.com, enter the video that you want to copy from, and copy the entire transcript here. And all I would do is edit the bottom part to transcript, and then post a full transcript. But as I said, GPT-4 is slightly better, and then you might as well use the plugin. A very important note here is it really depends on what video you take this from, because this is also going to be inspired by some of the topics he covers in the video. Because tone and voice are neutral, but vocabulary and sentence structure really depend on the video you select. So we paste the link here, run the prompt, and now we get an analysis of Andrew Tate's style. I strongly recommend you read this. It's a fantastic little guide on how to become a better speaker. But now let's start replicating his style with some follow-up prompts. Because everything ChatGPT writes now will be confident, assertive, and so much more that I found out about from within the video. So how about using these powers for good? We'll say, now write a text message to my girlfriend, telling her that I love her. Hey, girlfriend's name. All right, all we're gonna do is head on over to topmediaai.com/text-to-speech. And here we'll get the voice we need. We can select the voice, then we enter the text, and then we convert it. Let's do it. In the search bar, I'm gonna look for Andrew. There you go. Not sure why they used this icon, but okay, let's go with it. And then I copy the ChatGPT output, paste it in here. You do need to log in, but that is simple enough. Now we get to hit convert, and here you go.
Just want to take a moment to remind you of something important. I love you. I cherish every moment we spend together and every memory we've created.
And that's it. Now we use the power of AI Andrew Tate for good. And if you want to go a little deeper and explore how to apply your own style to different types of text, check out this video. I'll see you around.
Get all your friends around. Call every friend you have right now. Invite them over for a party. When they all turn up, pour out sparkling water. Say, everyone, let's have a glass of water together. Water can't hurt anybody. We're all probably dehydrated anyway. What's the worst water can do? Let's have a nice glass of water, and everyone's gonna drink it. When you see that one dude, oh, there's bubbles. Never speak to him again.